Good morning, students.
Morning, ma'am.
How are you
Good
all?
morning.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. How are you all?
We are fine, ma'am. What about you?
I am also good. I'm also fine.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Ma'am,
morning.
tomorrow is SST exam.
Yes, tomorrow is your SST exam, and I'm very excited for it. I'm waiting to see how will you all do.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Good morning.
Ma'am, what will we do today?
Yes,
Ma'am, what will we do today? Ma'am,
what
revision?
we will do today? Yes, we will do revision only. You tell me, did I share revision worksheet 5 with you?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
We have done the 5th worksheet also.
Yes. No, ma'am.
How many worksheets in all have we done?
Ma'am, 5.
5. Yes,
Yes,
we
ma'am,
have
5.
done
Yes,
all
ma'am.
5 worksheets.
Ma'am,
Okay.
5.
So how well are you prepared? How well do you think you are prepared for your SST paper?
Ma'am, before our UT starts, ma'am, I have learned SST.
Yes, very nice. Very good.
Yes, ma'am, I have also.
So now
Ma'am,
for your exam tomorrow, what you will do is you will go through all the worksheets very nicely. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
All the worksheets.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, there will be some questions from worksheet also.
Yes, you can get some questions from worksheet also.
Okay,
Because
ma'am.
it is done in the class, so you can get your paper from anywhere. Okay?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning.
Ma'am, can we do a small worksheet today?
Okay, you again want to do a worksheet? All right.
Can we, ma'am, can we play game, please?
A small worksheet. Ma'am, can we do oral revision? Ma'am, can we do oral revision?
How many
Oral
of you?
revision?
How many of you want to study? How many of you want to revise?
Ma'am, I want to revise
Ma'am,
in
I
oral
have to
revision.
in oral revision. Ma'am,
Yes,
I have
ma'am.
to do.
I also have Gupta. Ma'am, I just connecting करेगा.
All right, then we'll do revision. Take out your copies.
Yes, ma'am.
Ev-
Ma'am, my SST second copy is finished, so I'm starting with the third copy SST.
Yes, very nice. Very good.
Ma'am, I also starting with the third copy.
Okay, very good. Start.
My starting with second copy.
So this is going to be revision number 6. Revision number 6. Right?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am is sharing the screen or sending in chat box?
Sending in chat box, Peter. Okay. Write in brief about the ancient period. Okay. In brief, so that means you have to write about 2-3 lines.
Then write only answer.
Ma'am, in exam there is diagrams also we have to draw.
Which diagram?
And like the diagrams, those diagrams that we
Okay,
have.
the ones we have done, you might get, beta, you might get.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, ma'am, we have to write questions.
Yes, you have to write questions, beta. You will write questions. Okay.
Ma'am, I am talking about exams.
No, in exam, you have to just write answer. See, if you will get a question like straight true or false, you will only write true, false, true, false. In fill in the blanks, you will only write the word that is the answer. Then in match the following, you will
Okay,
have to
ma'am.
make complete table. Okay. In match the
Okay, ma'am.
following, you will make both the sides.
Okay, ma'am, like column A and column B.
Yes, column A and column B. Then in tick the correct option, you will write only the correct option as your answer. And answer the following in detail, you will write your answers in detail.
Ma'am, like, ma'am, like in the match the following, we will make table and then write the correct answer. Like in column A, we have written, then we will write correct answer.
In
After
column
it,
B, yes, in column B, you will write the correct answer. Suppose column A has one word like, let's say, epigraphy. Then you, in column B, what the correct answer will be? The study of inscription. So you will write it in front of it. Okay.
Ma'am, after tomorrow we will have our SST exam or tomorrow.
You have your SST exam tomorrow.
Ma'am,
Day
but in
after
the
tomorrow.
timetable it is showing we have holiday in 20 and exam in 21.
Now, did you get a message last evening from school that the holiday has been cancelled for tomorrow? It will be day after tomorrow and your exam will be conducted tomorrow. Did you go through that message?
Yes, ma'am.
Bas, that's it, beta.
Ma'am, we will get our paper in Google form or PDF form.
You will get your question paper on WhatsApp in PDF form.
Okay, ma'am.
And we have to write question and with their answers.
Yes, beta, yes.
Ma'am, please send question 3.
You have done these two questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I was typing slowly, beta. I thought that you should write answers side by side. And then one after the other, I'll keep sending.
Ma'am, we write questions also.
Hmm?
write questions also.
Yes.
Ma'am, you have to write this in fair notebook.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am,
Yes.
there is a question like write in brief about the ancient period.
What, just Karan?
Ma'am, there is no question like write in brief about the ancient period.
Oh. So, can you tell me something about the ancient period of history? Just in 2 or 3
Yes,
lines,
ma'am.
what is ancient period? Can you tell about it?
Yes.
Yes. Ancient period is the period that began. Ancient period started when life began on the earth. In this period, what happened? Humans learned to do what all things? So you just have to write in brief, that's all. When all of you complete these 5 questions, let me know. Then I'll type the 6th one.
Ma'am, there.
Ma'am, in define, we have to give examples also.
In define, like define archaeology? No, just define it and that's it.
Ma'am, there is only 5.
Yes. As of now, there are only 5 questions. If you will be able to complete them, I'll give you more.
Ma'am, like in question 5, we will write like this. The few examples of archaeological source are.
Yes,
Then we will
you,
write the examples.
yes.
Ma'am, what are we doing? I was disconnected.
So you want me to send all the questions once again?
Yes, ma'am. I was on the third.
Okay, wait a minute.
Ma'am, I have sent Arav.
Arav has also sent. I have also sent. Raina has also sent. Everybody is sending. Very good.
Ma'am, please send question 6. I have done.
Okay, how many others have also done?
Ma'am, please wait.
On which question are you?
Ma'am, question 5. Question 5. Question 5.
Okay,
Please wait
everybody
for
is
a
on question 5. So in that case, I'll type question 6 because you will be able to do it.
Ma'am, how many questions are there?
Beta depends on how much you are able to do.
and first I can answer. I am not leaving.
Daksh, I can't understand what you're saying.
Ma'am, in question 6, can we write 3 points?
In question number 6, yes, you have to write 2-3 points, at least 3 points. If not more, 3 points are mandatory.
Ma'am, please send again. I was disconnected again.
Okay, see, Raina has so quickly sent it.
Ma'am, I want all the questions.
You want all the questions.
Yes, ma'am.
Now who has sent? Arav Gupta has sent all the questions. But Arav, the sixth question is missing, beta.
Ma'am, I have not sent.
Why it's coming then? Mokshit has sent.
Ma'am, Rana has sent.
Raina has sent. What is the sixth question? Question number 6 is,
Ma'am, I have done.
what about others? What about others? How many are still doing? Looks like everybody is doing.
Ma'am, what is question 7?
No, there is no question 7. There are only 6 questions. All of you do all these 6 questions. That will be all.
Ma'am, can we send our answers?
Yes, those who have done, start sending your work on the class group. You've sent it on the class group, beta?
Ma'am, I have sent Yashmit.
Yashmit has sent. Okay, yes. I got Yashmit's work. Yashmit, just one page. All the okay, no. I got the second one. Yashmit, you got a very good, very nice. Mokshit, just 3 questions. Where is the second? Okay, this is the
I
second.
have done and sent.
Okay, beta, okay. Very nice. Very nice. Mokshit also got a very good. Then whose paper? Akshada Tiwari. Okay. Akshada Tiwari, very good. Then who else has sent? I think one more student, Yuvraj Gupta. Athar Gupta, how will I see from so far? Hmm? Very good, Yuvraj. I'll be checking Shaurya's paper. Shaurya Tyagi, beta, examples of archaeological sources are Sanchi Stupa, Red Fort. Instead of these two names, you should have written monuments. Okay? Don't name the monument, just write monuments in all. Monuments, coins, paintings, and sculptures. That would be more appropriate. Is Shaurya Tyagi there in class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now after Shaurya Tyagi, no one has sent. So children, I've checked your worksheets. All those who had sent, those who are still doing, complete your worksheet and wish you all the best for tomorrow's exam. Do really well, okay? And your papers should be very neat and clean. Is that clear to all of you? Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Others who've not done, you can send it to me later. So
Okay,
many
ma'am.
students have not sent.
Ma'am, in all the tests we have.
Yes, in
In all
all.
the tests we have to write only answers.
Yes, in tomorrow's exam, you have to write only answers. I know you all will quickly finish your paper. It's going to be very easy for all of you. But make it very neat and clean. The presentation should be very good.
Okay, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta. Good afternoon. Okay, 4th C children. Bye to all of you.
Bye,
All the
ma'am.
best for tomorrow.